Today, we're diving into how to invest in real estate with little money, proving that you don't need a fortune to get started in property investing. If you've ever thought about owning real estate but felt limited by your budget, this guide is for you. 1. Consider house hacking. House hacking allows you to buy a property, live in one part, and rent out the other units to cover your mortgage. Duplexes, triplexes, or even renting out spare rooms can turn your home into an investment. 2. Use FHA or VA loans. With FHA loans, you can purchase a home with as little as 3.5% down. If you're a veteran, VA loans allow you to buy with no down payment at all. These government-backed loans make real estate investing more accessible. 3. Partner with other investors. If you don't have enough cash, consider teaming up with someone who does. A partnership can split the investment and responsibilities, allowing you to get into real estate with minimal funds. 4. Look into real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul let you invest in real estate for as little as $10 to $500. These crowdfunding options give you exposure to real estate without needing to buy a property yourself. 5. Try wholesaling real estate. Wholesaling involves finding undervalued properties, getting them under contract, and selling the contract to another investor for a fee. This strategy requires little to no upfront money, but does take effort in finding great deals. 6. Rent out your property on Airbnb. If you own a home, consider renting out a spare room or even the entire property as a short-term rental. Airbnb and Vrbo allow you to generate extra income without buying additional properties. 7. Consider seller financing. In some cases, the property owner may agree to finance the purchase instead of requiring a bank loan. This can eliminate the need for a large down payment and make investing more flexible. Real estate investing is possible, even with little money. You just need the right strategy. Which method interests you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next one.